Hey guys, just a quick video. I want to show this little monitor I got in the mail. It's a 10.1 inch 2K monitor from Amazon. Perfect is the brand. So we got Perfect here. And let's just unbox it and take a look and see what it looks like. So this is the actual monitor. This is just me unboxing it for the very first time. This is not a sponsored review. This is just a monitor that I bought. Wow, check it out. So it's very, very thin. And it's got speakers built in the back here. It has, looks like it has two of those inputs. Yeah, it's got two monitor inputs here that are HDMI micro, I believe. And it also has power, a USB power, and then headphones out. Well, so you can power it from USB or from a traditional, not sure what the voltage is, but we'll find out here. Oh, I guess it is 5 volts. So either way, it's just going to be 5 volts, 2 amps is the charger that it comes with. And then it has a nice stand in here too, which is kind of cool. So this is a nice little stand that we can set up and that we can have it be held up. I'm going to use this as a second monitor, I think, for my Raspberry Pi, for this guy right here. And or just like as a travel monitor. It's super small, super light, and it had really good reviews. So it comes with a USB cable and an HDMI cable as well. I think I paid about $120 or $130 for this. I'll include the link in the description of this video. Let me get it all put together and powered up, and I'll give you a more close-up look at it actually running. So I'm finally finishing up this video. I've been using this screen for almost a year now, and I have it right now connected to a Raspberry Pi. So the HDMI cable here is just going and connecting right into this Raspberry Pi. And then I have, that's why I have 2 keyboards doubled up here. I don't do this particular setup very often. I'm actually using it as a second monitor. So this is my primary monitor, then right under here I use it as a second monitor for this computer. I don't even use it all the time for that. But it's really nice. I have the USB port is coming out here and plugging right into the computer. So the monitor is powered from this tower. The Raspberry Pi is powered from this. It just makes it really nice when I'm maybe following a tutorial on this computer. And then I can just quickly use it here, type in the commands and have a whole separate computer and screen without having to either switch between using this screen or have it pull out another giant screen. So I just keep this sitting right down here. I haven't even taken off the screen protector yet, and I've been really, really happy with this little guy. For the price, I'd say you can't go wrong. Yeah, 2 thumbs up. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this has been an informative video for you, and I look forward to catching you in the next video.